Okay, to factor this one, we first have to factor out a negative, which they tell us in a hint here. So it's x squared minus 14x plus 49. That looks like a binomial squared, possibly. If it is, it's a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, which would equal a minus b, the quantity squared. So let's see if it fits. So we have an x squared and on that end, and on the other end we have a 49, which is 7 squared. And let's check to see that the middle term comes out right. So it's negative 2 times a is x and times b is 7. And that's equal to negative 14x, which is exactly right. Negative 14x is what we wanted. So this does fit that pattern. And so we can finish off the factorization by writing this as negative x minus 7, the quantity squared. And there it is. We have factored this polynomial.